Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to clip in E3D. So let's start. Let's say your model is too big and you want to see only a particular space or area near the equipments. So it is very difficult if your model is too big. So let's start. You have to go here. Let's say we're going to piping. And then we have to go on view, here view. And then we have to select this equipment. Let's say I want to see around this one. So now we can see only nearby this equipment. So we can increase and decrease the length of this clip. For increasing length or height of this clip, we have to double click on box here. So you click here on this side I want. You want this side, you drag it this side. You want this side and drag it this side. And drag it this side. And you can move the box by clicking here and modify here. You can clearly see within the clip whatever you want to see here. Again, if you want to modify something and you want to go up and down same way, double click here. You can remove the box by clicking modify. You can unclip by here clipping, so you can unclip. So now your this clip is saved. Whenever you want to clip here, it is saved on the equipment only. Clip here. Let's say I want to see around the structure here. So you have to select the structure here, this one, hole, and then create. So whatever you select, the clip will be a boundary line in between. So I click here, modify. You see here, in this way we can do the clipping. Let's say I don't want to see here whole clip here. Let's say I want to see this rack here, and this is my rack. So again, if you go to create, see only whatever inside the rack will come there. It's up to you. If you want to click the whole rack, you can see whole rack. If you want to see here only one, around this member, then you can type here only one member will come here. It depends on your, here current selection or current element. Same way you can increase and decrease. Let's say I want to see here. This is by equipment. Then click here. Only nearby the pump you can see here. You can rotate, the clipping as per your requirement here and there, whatever you want. Let's say now I want to this side. Simply click on modify and the box will be gone. So this is your clipping. Thanks for watching.